Hi Johannes, sorry it took me a while to start this video. I had to delete more space to be able to do videos with Screencast-O-Matic, but I figured it out. Anywho, also, since this is my first video, let me know if there's anything I can do to improve my sort of presentation, but I'll try to be concise. So, I think you can see my screen now. This is the SPS website with all of them here. The thing you have to scrape is what I mentioned before in our conversation on Skype, which is if it's a trade facilitating measure or not. Just to show you this, this is a WTO manual on these things, and for proposed measures which facilitate trade, WTO members may reduce or eliminate the period for receiving comments. So it is important to note that what might be trade facilitating for one WTO member might still be of concern to or warrant to from other members. So these are the ones that are deemed as trade facilitating and then therefore green under our GT evaluation. I think just roll that caveat over there and know that most of them are not like that. So the way to see if something is facilitating or not is you go to the document symbol over here, you scroll down and you go to number 11, and if this box is checked, it's a trade facilitating measure. So the scraper would have to do that. It would go one by one in each of these and see if that box is checked, and if it's checked, it's a trade facilitating measure. Please let me know what you think, and please let me know what else I can help you with in here.